Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into mastering teamwork.com for tracking and managing project issues. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your teamwork.com account. Now, why is this important? Well, it's your gateway to the platform where all the magic happens. Let's move on. The next step is to create a new project. Click on the Add Project button and fill out the necessary details. This is crucial because every issue that you'll track and manage will be linked to a specific project. Now that we've done that, let's navigate to the board view in your project. This view gives you a clear picture of all your project's issues at a glance. Click on the Add Column button to create a new column for every issue category you want to track. The reason we do this is to organize our issues effectively. You might want to create columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, but feel free to customize it to your project's needs. Next up is to add cards to the columns. Each card represents an issue. By clicking on the plus sign, you can add a card, write a description for the issue, and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it allows us to track who is responsible for what and keeps everyone accountable. Now let me explain why this matters. By managing your project issues in this way, you can visualize the progress and status of each issue, identify bottlenecks, and speed up the resolution process. It's all about efficiency and productivity. And that's it. Just like that, you've learned how to use teamwork.com to track and manage your project issues effectively. Remember, the key is in the organization. So keep your board updated and your project will run smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.